I was born in the fire where the nights stay long, understanding the storm just to feel this strong. Have a sky in sight, but the sky still burned, and my restless heart never once unlearned. They said slow it down, but I ran that road with a mind like lightning ready to explode. Every scar I've carried is a drum I play, and the rhythm in my bones never fades away. I don't break, I transform, turn the ashes into fire. Race like thunder in my veins. Drums drop slow like heavy silver rain. If the world says stop, I still push through. I was built from storm and burning true. Feel the tempo, feel the ground. I am louder, I am found. Say it with me, say it proud. I am sound, I am sound. But a blazing soul and a heart too stubborn just to lose control. People spoke in noise, but they missed my tone, so I carved my voice into solid stone. Every fall I took only raised my flame, and the fear I knew never owned my name. Now the color lives where the shadows were, and the beat I walk is my signature. I don't hide, I don't drown when I'm shaking. I stand my ground. This race like thunder in my veins. Drop slow like heavy silver rain. If the world says stop, I still push through. I was built from storm and burning true. Feel the tempo, feel the ground. I am louder, I am found. Say it with me, say it proud. I am sound, I am sound. I am sound. One soul, one fire, one goal. I fall, I rise, I break, I rise. Every heartbeat keeps the score. I am music. I am more. Let the strings burn bright across the sky. Let the drums march on till the echoes fly. If the dark says fall, I still stand proud. Born from silence, singing loud. Feel the rhythm, shake the ground. I am louder, I am found. Say it with me, say it now. I am sound, I am sound. I am sound.